How to speed up or fast forward a clip in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Select the video you want to speed up. Then simply select the video in the timeline at the bottom. Then at the bottom, click on Speed. Click on Normal. Then swipe your circle to the right side as you want. Make sure it's over 1x. You can make it 2x, 5x, 10x, or in between as well. After you do that, click on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then play the video. As you can see, it's at speed up. And this is how to speed up or fast forward a clip in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.